I'm at South Beach in Tenby. Tide is in. I have my strap today, so hopefully it'll be a bit of a better video if I find anything. But yeah, tide's on its way in, so I've only got the shingly part and then a little bit dry. It doesn't start turning until about 20 past 10, so we might get a little bit of wet sand as well. Enjoy and see you at the first hole. Right, first signal. So 55, 56. It's just starting to rain. Very typical, but never mind. Skin's waterproof, so they say. First one is a bit of foil, just a bit of foil. It wouldn't be beach detecting, would it, unless you get a ring pull. Oh dear. Jumping all around a bit. It's an 82. Had a few ring pulls the past couple of days. Come up around about 82, 83, so I wonder if it's a ring pull. And I did do a test earlier before coming on the beach with some other ring pulls that were at the edge, but they were coming up as 86. That is out. No, it's just a bottle cap. Just a bottle cap. Oh, there you go, J20. Oh, we've got 63, 64. Just a bit of tin. Just a bit of tin. Oh, we've got an 83. 80, 81, 82, 83. It's bouncing around. Just bouncing around. That's a dog tag, just a dog tag. I'll have it that way because it doesn't show the person's number, name or anything like that. 85, 86. I know at the entrance I'd try a few different ring pulls, and that's what they were coming up as. And 88 yesterday was a £1 coin. So, let's see. Oh, it looks like I don't know what that is. It's got some writing on it. Might have been a dog tag at some stage. I don't know. Please help me. So it might have been a dog tag at some stage. It says please help me. That was kind of as a crackly 49. And that is 5p a piece. 5p piece. 69, 70, 71. 71, 72 was a 20p piece yesterday. Let's have a look. It's not going to be that today though, is it? No. It is just a cap of some sort. Don't quite know what. Possibly part of a battery. God, very crackly. And it's anything from an 81 up to an 88. Possibly a bit of iron, a bit of iron, I expect. God. I'm going to dig most numbers anyway. Most signals rather, so I just want to get used to the machine. Let's have a look. No, bullet casing maybe. Can't really tell. Yeah, it might have been part of a bullet. Yeah, it looks like it was part of a bullet casing. 71, 72, 85, 86. So what we're going to be. Bit of a bullet. Yeah, I'd say it's a bit of a bullet. Yep. A little bit of rifling on there. Yeah, bit of a bullet. There you go. And this time we get a square nail. There you go. Little square nail. Another part of a bullet casing. And another bit. another bit of broken bullet casing. A little bit of a better signal. It's a 90 solid. Solid. Coin. A penny, I would have thought. Yeah, it's a penny. Just a penny. Bit knackered, but it is a penny. Just a bit of copper. Yeah, just a bit of copper. Let's see what the other one is. It's an 88. It's not picking it up very well. It's a coin that's been destroyed. I'd say it was a penny before, but yeah, completely destroyed. 69. Looks like another bullet casing. Yeah, another bullet casing. I thought it was going to be another square now, but it's not. It's part of a cog. That's come up as a 68, 69. Same as what the square nows have been coming up as. But yeah, bit of cog. Got another 5p, I think. Yeah, another 5 pence. So I thought it was going to be a bit of toot, so I didn't record, and there you go. Another 5p. It looks like a drawer handle or something like that. Part of one. Come up as a 69.70. There you go. Oh, we've got a 68 all the way round. All the way round, I should say. Going to be another part of a bullet. Yeah, bullet casing again. Yeah, it's another bullet casing. 83, 84 all the way round. This time it's the sharp end of the bullet, the actual bullet itself. There you go. I've got 93. That's a penny. I've got a 90 as well up there. So, is it going to be another coin? I've got 88, 89 there as well. Yep, another coin. This time a 2p. isn't there? Just there. Yeah, possibly in the scoop now. And £1. So £1 3p. Got to be by the same people, I would have thought. See if they've been good enough to leave any more. No, that was inevitable. It was going to happen. I'm fishing weight. It's that to happen, really, being on a beach. Yeah, I'm fishing weight. 61, 62. It's a coin. It's like 10p. Yep, certainly is. 10p. Now, I would say it's going to be a penny, 91, 92 every now and again. No, yeah, it is. Just a penny. Just a wrinkle after all that.